Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect LinkedIn to HubSpot. Okay, very easy and simple. Once you're actually logged into HubSpot, you'll be on your dashboard. Click on the secure cog to access your settings. Now here, I want you to scroll all the way down here until you see marketing and go ahead and click on that. You'll see ads. Click on ads. And now here, I want you to go ahead and click on get started with ads. Okay, so that we can go ahead and connect our LinkedIn account. So we'll choose an ad network. We'll choose LinkedIn right here. So go ahead and click on that. It will open up a new pop-up where we have to enter our email and password to go ahead and sign in. So let me go ahead and do that. So I decided to recover my password right here. Okay, we'll set up a new password and click on submit. All right, so there we go. And now we should be able to go to LinkedIn. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And now HubSpot would like to get all of these permissions. So I just need to click on allow right here. As you can see, I'm also getting this pop-up for email. Okay. So there we go. We have chosen our ad network and we have synced it, okay, to HubSpot. Now, you just need to come here, click on LinkedIn, and go through the process to set up your advertiser account. You can go ahead and sync all your leads. And once you're done, you can go ahead and start using HubSpot with LinkedIn. Really that easy and simple.